Welcome to Study Loop.
So, Laurie, Dolly is examining customer service costs in the southern region of Capital Products, and Capital Products has more than 200 separate electric products that are sold with a 6-month guarantee of full repair or replacement with a new product. Now, when a product is returned by the customer, a service report is prepared, and it includes the details of the problem, the time, and the cost of solving the problem. And we're given the weekly data for the most recent 8-week period in a table. And then the first question wants us to plot the relationship between the customer service costs we're giving and the number of service costs we're giving. And is the relationship economically plausible rather? So the first thing we're going to do is to draw the graph and plot the relationship. So the graph is going to look like this. So on this side, we're going to have number of service reports. And on this side, we're going to have customer service department cost. Department cost. So we're going to label this from $0 all the way to $25,000. And then here will be from 0 to 500. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. So from the table, we can see that at 190 service reports, okay, we'll be starting from the list. At 115 service reports, the cost is $13,000 customer service department cost. So we're going to go to 113 on this side and then trace it to $13,000. It should be about right here. And then at 190 service reports, it should be about right here. We have 13,700 customer service department costs. 13,700 should be right here. And then the next thing is 275 service reports. Then we have 20,900 customer service department costs. 20,900. The next thing is 265. and it is 14,000 department cost. 14,000 is like right here. You're right here. And the next thing is 395. For 395, it's 18,800. Then for 455, the customer service department cost is 21,500. And then for 340, the cost is 16,900. And then for 305, the customer service cost is 21,000. So we're going to be tracing these points together, or we're not going to be, but there are 8 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, they should look like this, shaped. So this is the graph that shows the customer service department and the number of service departments. So to the next question, use the high-low method to compute the cost function relating a customer service cost to the number of service reports. So using the high-low method, the cost formula cost function using the high so the cost formula is y is equals to a plus bx. So yeah, a is variable cost, b is fixed cost, and x is the number of estimated reports. So the variable cost which is a, to find that, we need to find the number of reports is 455. The service department cost is 21,500 at lowest activity. So this is at highest activity. So now at lowest activity, the number of reports is 115, and the service departmental cost is 13,000. So then the variable cost per unit will be equals to the difference. So 21,500 minus 13,000 divided by 455 minus 115. So this is equals to 8,500 divided by 340, which is $25 per unit variable cost. Now the fixed cost, which is B, will be equals to 21,500, which is service department cost, minus 455, the number of reports, multiplied by 25, the variable costs. So this is 21,500 minus 11375. So the total fixed cost is $10,125. So then the cost function that we're to find would be equals to 100 and it will be equals to 10,125 plus 25 25x, because x is the constant and x is the estimated reports. So that's the cost function. Now the last question. Oh, this is the last question we just did. I'm sorry, this is the second question we did. The last question: what variables in addition to number of service reports might be cost drivers of weekly customer service cost of capital product? So apart from the number of service reports, there's also a scope of various cost drivers, and some of the variables that might be the cost drivers could be the time and cost of repairs, the number of products repaired, the number of products that are replaced with new products, another one could be the dollar value of new products. So these are variables that might be cost drivers of the weekly customer service costs. So these are the answers.